Made of durable acetal for dependable performance and peace of mind. Easy installation with barbed fittings for 3/8 inch ID, interior diameter, hose, purchase hose clamps separately. Extremely versatile, designed for leaded, unleaded, and alcohol-blended fuel. Specifically designed for Johnson, Evinrude, OMC brand engines and tanks. Attwood products are both compatible and reliable, engineered and built with a never-fail attitude. Sport type. Fishing. For use with Johnson, Evinrude, OMC brand engines and tanks. 3/8 inch barb. Hose female. Mates to 8883-6. Top reviews from the United States. Cheaper than Wally World. Looks okay. The fuel side of the fitting does not pull up tight to my fuel inlet. There is a could be the fitting on my new used motor. We'll see how it works out.